What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you how to draw Paper Mario. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page with the nose. You want to draw a circle with an open end on the left side. So start on top left, we're going to go all the way around the nose. Come down towards the bottom and then just bend that up. Now I'm going to tuck the mustache in underneath the nose. So let's start down here with a curve. We're going to come down and up towards the end. And then we want to draw a series of curves along the bottom of the mustache and pull this back up underneath the nose. So let's start with the first curve. Coming around and in. Let's add another one. Coming down and up. And you want to add a couple more and just pulling this up underneath the nose on the right side. Let's go back over towards the left. Let's open up the mouth. We're going to come down and then bend that up. And then in the center, add a curve for the tongue. Now I'm going to go back up to the top of the nose, move over toward the left side. We're going to draw an oval for the eye. Coming down, and then up. And we'll fill the inside of the eye in black. Now I want to draw that same size oval on the right side, but we're going to tuck this in behind the nose. So start up here, going up, and then down, and then we'll fill the inside of the eye. Now I want to come back down towards the bottom and draw the chin coming up towards the ear. So we'll start from the mustache, coming down underneath the mouth, go across, and then bend that up. Let's add the ear. Going all the way around, up toward the top, and then bend that back down. Now from the ear, we're going to add a curve for the hat. We're going to go up above the eyes, go across, and then bend that down. Let's draw the front edge of the hat brim. Bend this in, come down towards the left eye, and just bend that back up. Let's go back to the right side, close off the head from the eye, step out, bend this up, and then in underneath the hat brim. Now I want to see the bottom edge of the brim coming down and then in towards the head. Let's fill this area in black. Now let's go back and add the sideburn. Starting up here, start by bending this down and in. Let's round this out. Come up. Let's add another bump. We're going to come down and just pull this up towards the base of the ear. Let's add some detail inside the ear. From the top, I'm just going to bend this around and then back out. And then in the center, add a fold. Now let's draw on the top of the hat. We're going to start on the right side. We're going to start by curving this around, up towards the top, come across. Now let's bend this down, aiming towards the ear, and then we're going to add a fold, stepping up, bend the back, going around, and then in towards the ear. Let's go back over towards the right side. We're going to draw a circle tucked in behind the hat brim. Let's start on the right side, draw that circle, going all the way around, and then tuck that in. Now inside that circle, we're going to draw the M. We're going to start on the left, going up, come down in the middle, add another point going up, and then back down. Let's flatten off the bottoms with two angled lines, and they'll trace the M along the inside, and then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Paper Mario. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.